Your customer support agents are drowning in endless documents and manuals. What if they could get the right answer in seconds from your exact documentation?
I know Kung Fu.
There's a free AI tool that can 10 times your support speed using NotebookLM. NotebookLM is a free AI tool by Google that lets you upload your internal knowledge, manuals, websites, training docs, and turns it into an instant response chatbot. Let us show you how. Let's create new notebook and upload some sample Camel Tech data. Our website content by pasting our website link. Then a support guide PDF and internal FAQs. Just drag and drop, and done. NotebookLM is now trained on our information only. Now let's test it. Question 1. How do I integrate ClickUp with Google Sheets? That's it. Clear step-by-step answer from our guide. Question 2. What should I check if Make Automation fails? Right answer and straight from our troubleshooting tips. Question 3. Do I need a paid Notion plan to use the CRM? Accurate, fast, reliable? This is what AI-powered customer support looks like. No more digging through 20 tabs, no more guessing, and no hallucination. It only answers from what you give it. Want to cut response time by 90%? Train your NotebookLM today. It's free, it's fast, and it's how Camel Tech is scaling support for growth.